Hi from Tough Touring. We're showing you our Patriot rooftop tent rack conversion kit. In these videos, some of the pictures are X1N models, others are X1. So the X1N is the version you're looking at right now, which has the factory roof rack on it already. You'll see that our roof rack system picks the bolt holes up on the existing rack and then supports it further down the side, and it basically just bolts straight up. This one is the X1, which previously did have a rooftop tent fixed to the trailer. It's been removed and replaced with a checker plate sheet, and then the rack has been through bolted through that to secure it to the trailer top. Now the tents on these, the roof tents, are in no particular order: a Tough Trek Mark III, a Boss Aluminium RT1, and another popular tent is the Bundu Top King or Bundu Top Standard. The addition of a 100 kilo roof tent, 30 kilo awning and 50 kilo rack adds 180 kilograms to the Patriot's tow weight. However, the rooftop tents that they come out with weigh a very similar amount, so there's no net win or loss there. As far as awnings go, to marry up to this conversion, the existing lifting arms can be left as they are, as well as the Super Peg awning. However, a lot of people opt to go with a Super Peg Shield 6, which is their fully poleless setup awning, or another popular one is the Bush Company XT Max, which is shown in a couple of these examples here. The four kits that we provide for the X1, X2, X1N and X2N all come with this MaxTrax holder, which blocks out effectively the front of the trailer. The Tough Touring Patriot rack is fixed to the trailer top with a one-piece steel rail, which spreads loads evenly across the top surface of the trailer. The Tough Touring Patriot rack. I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for watching.